Bell pepper, onion, garlic, scotch bonnet, tomato. To put in the onion first. It's going to fry up. Pepper and the garlic. A bit of flavor. Bit of nice flavor. Nice food, no? Cook Jamaican style food. Fry up. Kind of cook fry. Steam fry. Fry my hands. Give that stir. Let's say, do you want one? Yes, guys, I cut up my spinach, so I'm going to put in it in now. I'm going to steam fry quick. This is my mackerel, so I'm going to use my cutter and cut the mackerel now, like this. Nice. Guys, steaming up nicely. Plus this one cooking. See here. And this is mackerel. Butter cook. See? This is a big chunky jack. Big chunky jack mackerel. Yes guys, sharing out time now. Sharing out time, it's a sharing out time. Sharing out time, it's a sharing out time. Banana skin. Banana hot. See there guys. Fish ready. Ready to eat. Come on, eat with me guys. I'm gonna share my food with you, okay? I'm gonna use a different spoon, this one, to share my fish. So, fish sharing time now. Put your fish, a little of this, a little of that, a little of this, and a little of that. Now share the fish. You get a piece of fish. I get that enough guys. So my time we do some eating now guys. Green banana.